When installing the wear-resistant plate, pay attention to the installation direction. It's narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. After the wear-resistant plate is replaced, the top and bottom are fixed by bolts. The bolts must be tight and not loose. Install the main hammer only after the secondary hammer is secured. Install and fix the main hammer head with bolts. Install two impact blocks and secure them with bolts. After the impact block is installed, the upper and lower end faces are consistent, and there is no gap in the middle.